Hello everyone, welcome to Flutter Synchro. This is part 1 of a full crypto app series. And in this video, you will learn how to convert a Figma onboarding design into clean, scalable Flutter UI. Without overcomplicating the code, let's get started.
I took this Figma design and implemented it in Flutter. If you want, you can also convert your Figma designs into Flutter code. From there, you can get style, alignments, and other details to implement it in Flutter, which makes building the UI much easier. If you are interested in learning how to convert Figma designs into Flutter code for free, let me know in the comments and I will upload a dedicated tutorial. So, this is the onboarding screen. It is a swipe based onboarding screen with indicators, reusable UI, and a clear separation between data and layout.
As you can see, I have structured this as a feature-based approach. Right now, all onboarding screens are inside single folder which keeps the code organized and easy to manage. Along with the onboarding, there is a auth folder which has right now login screen. Later I will extend this with registration and authentications screens. This way, each feature stays independent and as the app grows, the structure remains clean and easy to maintain. Let's take a look into onboarding screen. This onboarding screens controls the overall onboarding flow and mainly consists of the onboarding page and next button. So as you can see, I am using and this the page view builder, which here so users can swipe between different onboarding screen and this page controllers, which I have defined here, the final page controller, which helps to control this page's transitions. And here, as you can see, the index, it is responsible to keep the track of the currently active page, where I am assigning this I to index to update. And whenever the page changes, the index get updated. So this value is then used for the dot indicator and also to control the overall behavior of the next button. In the next button, it behaves differently based on the current page. If user not on the last screen, as you can see the conditions, so it will moves to the next onboarding pages. And once user reach the last screen, then it will move to the login screen. Now let's look at the onboard page. This widget represents a single onboarding screen. It receives three things: the onboarding data, current index, and total page count. So now, as you can see, I have kept the layout simple and reusable. At top, we have image using image.asset, and below that, we have dot indicator. So this dots is generated dynamically using list.generate, and the active dots are highlighted using animated controller for a smooth transition effect. This dot method is responsible for rendering the page indicator. It generates dot based on the page count and compares the index with current index. And the active dots are wider and highlighted, whereas the inactive dots remain small, giving a clear visuals to the user. After that, we show title and subtitle, which is completely data driven and only the content changes for each onboarding screen. So, to keep the onboarding page clean and scalable, I have separated the data from the UI using the onboard data. So, this class simply holds the image, title, and subtitle. Now, let me show how I have used this in onboarding screen. So, as you can see, here I have defined this list onboard data pages. This pages holds the onboarding data. So instead of passing hard-coded value, I have passed this data directly into the pages. So this approach makes the onboarding easy to update, reusable, and much cleaner to maintain. And that's how we have built swipe-based dot indicator onboarding screen. The next video in this series is coming soon.